Hey everybody, welcome back. We have another English Conversations Scenarios class with your teacher Melody. And today we're going to be going over weather. I thought it would be nice if we were outside. So let's get started. Ta-da! English Conversation. And we're in part 13. Our third part of our scenarios. Last time we went over our scenario, Get on the Bus, where we learned things about asking questions. Would you please help me? Remember, could you repeat that, please? And how much does it cost? Jacob wanted to get on the bus, and Sophia helped him. We met the clerk, where she helped him also get on the bus, the right one, of course. We met Judy and Olivia. Olivia was traveling to California. We also talked about asking a question to understand something or learn something new. We went over some questions about who, when, where, how long, how much, and why. And you guys asked each other questions and learned something new about each other. I answered questions for you about sleep, and you guys answered questions together. And you helped Lemon and Orange learn about New Year's. Yes! Great job, everybody. Today, we're going to talk about statements or an expression of facts, opinions, or thoughts to tell or give information. One way we can do this is to make a statement or express something. The weather outside is really nice, warm, sunny. It's not cloudy. It's not snowing. We are in the rainy season now. Well, in Thailand, you're in the rainy season. In the USA, we're in the summer, so we're in the warm season. Oh. It is very hot today. I am so hot. That's an expression. It is freezing in here. I am freezing. That's an expression. You're expressing how you feel. Today we will work in groups of 2 to 3 people. So go ahead and split up into your groups. Remember, start with 2, but if you need 3, go ahead and find 3 people. I'll give you a few minutes to do that while we review. Step number 1 in creating our conversation. Think about what message you want to communicate. What are you expressing? Why are you expressing it? What is your purpose? Who is speaking? Probably I. What am I doing? I'm telling you something. How, where, when, and why come with what am I telling you? Am I speaking in the past, the present, or the future? I was hot yesterday. I am hot right now. I think it will be hot tomorrow. And remember step 4, our tone. Who are we talking to? Do we need to use more formal language or more informal language? Do we need to use things like could, may, might? Our detail questions. Who, what, where, when, why, and how? Okay, let's do some more practice. So today, we're going to talk about weather. You could say, the weather outside is hot, is warm, is cold, is sunny, is cloudy, is overcast. This means you can't see the sun, but there's not a lot of clouds. It's just a little darker. It's raining. It's snowing. Hail. If you have a hailstone, then you have a hailstorm. So the weather outside is rainy, snowy, hailstorm. If you have thunder, thundery, the weather outside is rain and snow. The weather outside is a thunderstorm. The weather outside is a hailstorm. The weather outside is frosty, cold, icy. The weather outside is dewy, wet, soft. The weather outside is foggy, very dark, like a cloud on the ground. The weather outside is windy. Whew, my goodness. The weather outside is strong windy. You can also say the weather outside is frozen for freezing, just like let it go, let it go. You know that. Or very windy. You can also say today is a hot day. Today is a warm day. Today is a cold day. Or today is a cool day. Today is sunny. Today is cloudy. Today is overcast, dark. Today is rainy. Today is snowy. Today is a hailstorm day. Today is thundery. Today is a rain and snow day. Today is a thunderstorm day. Today is a frosty day. You have to get the ice off the car. Today is a frozen day. I love frozen days. They remind me of Elsa. Today is a dewy day. Very wet. Today is a foggy day. Today is a windy day. Whew. Today is a very windy day. Oh my goodness. You can also say, today it might be hot. Today it might be warm. Today it might be cool or cold. Today it might be sunny. Today it might be cloudy. Today it might be overcast. Today it might be rainy. Today it might be snowy. Today it might be hailstorm. It might be a hailstorm. Very good. Today it might be thundery. Today it might be rain and snow. Today it might be a thunderstorm. Good job. Today it might be frosty. Oof. Today it might be frozen. Today it might be dewy. Today it might be foggy. Today it might be windy. Today it might be very windy. Today we might have you would not say today we might have a hot. Today we might have a hot day. Today we might have a rain. Today we might have rain. Today we might have snow. Today we might have a hailstorm. Today we might have thunder. Today we might have rain and snow. Today we might have a thunderstorm. Today we might have a frost. Today we might have a freeze. Very, very cold. All the plants freeze. Today we might have a dew. Little beads of water all over the plants. first thing in the morning. Today we might have fog. Today we might have a fog. Today we might have wind. Today we might have strong winds. Fill in your worksheets. So on these types of days, what clothes do we wear? We have a raincoat, a rain hat, rain boots, a long sleeve shirt, jeans, umbrella, a hat, a coat, mittens, a scarf, gloves, snow boots, earmuffs, snow pants, rain boots, more rain boots, another raincoat, another umbrella, and a backpack. We also have shorts, skirt, socks for your feet, gloves for your hands, a vest, a t-shirt, a nice hat, boots, another scarf, and a tie. So let's look at some weather, and you tell me, what type of clothing will we wear? Let's see. Our first day, when it's cold, snowy, frosty, and frozen outside. So when it's cold, snowy, frosty, and frozen outside, what type of clothing are you going to wear? Choose 3 items. What is he wearing? Okay, very good. Let's see what other weather we have. Ooh, the sun is out. It looks like it's hot, sunny, and dry. He looks very hot. What will he wear? What is he wearing? This would be summer, where I am. Pick 3 items. Okay, let's keep going. What kind of day is this? It's cool, rainy, and cloudy. But look, they look like they're having fun in the rain. What are 3 items of clothing that you could wear when it's raining? Right now in Thailand, it's the wet season. So what do you wear? Pick 3 items. Okay, last one. Whew, it is windy. It is cool. It is very windy, and it is foggy. What do you think you would wear? What clothing would you wear when it's very windy, cool, and foggy? Pick 3 items. Very good. Let's see what's next. Okay, we have some other items of clothing. We have a cap, we have a blouse, we have a skirt, t-shirt, shorts, a tracksuit. This is for running. Jeans, sunglasses, sandals, also called flip-flops because they flip and flop as you wear them. Trainers, shorts, shirt, mittens, snow pants, raincoat, umbrella, rain boots, winter hat, and sweater. Let's see what weather we're gonna have this time. What about when it's hot outside? Hot. Whew. What would you wear if it's hot? What would you wear if it's warm? Warm. Not super hot, but not cold. And what would you wear if it's cold? If it's cold outside. What about if it's thundering? Does this make a difference? What about when it's raining and it's snowing? Oh. What would you wear if it's frost outside? So ice, freezing outside, so very cold. What would you wear if it's dewy outside? Just a little wet. Next one. What would you wear if it's sunny outside? Very sunny. What would you wear if it's very cloudy? What would you wear if it's overcast? It's dark. What would you wear if it's foggy? Like smoke on the ground. What would you wear if it's windy? Woo! What would you wear if it's very windy? The wind just blew. What about if it's raining? Or snowing? Or hailstorm? So hail is like big frozen balls of ice, like rocks made of ice. Okay, good job, everybody. Oh, look, It's Aunt Judy and Olivia again. I wonder where she's going this time. Aunt Judy says, "My dear, what does the weather look like outside?" Olivia says, "I'm not sure, Aunt Judy. Let me check." What do you think the weather looks like? Olivia says, "Aunt Judy, it is very windy and looks a bit chilly." Do you know what chilly is? Cold. It looks a little cold. I think you need a jacket and gloves, but I would not take a hat. Whew! Aunt Judy said, "Thank you, dear. Perhaps I will wait to go to the grocery store tomorrow." Do you know what the weather will be then? Ooh, what does the weather look like tomorrow? Olivia says, "Oh, the weather report says it will be a beautiful day tomorrow." Aunt Judy says, "That decides it then. I will go tomorrow." She wants to go on this day. So fill in your conversation. One more time. Olivia, my dear, what does the weather look like outside? I'm not sure, Aunt Judy. Let me check. Aunt Judy, it is very windy and it looks a bit chilly. I think you will need a jacket and gloves, but I would not take a hat. Thank you, dear. Perhaps I will go to the grocery store tomorrow. Do you know what the weather will be then? Oh, the weather report says it will be a beautiful day tomorrow. That decides it then. I will go tomorrow. Smart woman. Now, you will practice your own conversation with Aunt Judy and Olivia according to the weather. Let me get you started. Aunt Judy asks, "Olivia, my dear, what does the weather look like outside?" Olivia says, "I'm not sure, Aunt Judy. Let me check." What is the weather outside? What do you think? Be creative. So come up with your own conversation between Aunt Judy and Olivia according to this weather. I'll give you 5 minutes. After you write your story, remember to practice questions and answer. One of you can be Aunt Judy and one of you can be Olivia. If you have 3 partners, share. You can even make up another character. Okay, great job, everybody. Another way that you can express yourself in a statement is by expressing feelings and emotions. I feel angry. I feel happy. I feel sad. I feel depressed. I feel motivated. I feel scared. I feel bored. I feel anxious. I feel shocked. I feel tired. I feel surprised. I feel excited, like exclamation mark. I feel worried. I feel hungry. I feel frightened. I feel upset. I feel embarrassed. I feel in love. I feel nervous. I feel sick, under the weather. I feel hurt. I feel frustrated. I feel confused. I feel shy. Another way you can say it. I am. I am angry. Why? Someone stepped on my toe. I am happy. Why? Because I'm teaching with you guys. I'm sad. Why? Because I'm not in Thailand. I am depressed. Why? I guess there is no reason to be depressed. I feel motivated to be outside. I feel scared. There was a bear. Not really. I feel bored. Teacher Melody is never bored. I feel anxious. Why? I feel shocked. Why? Because I stuck my finger in electricity. I feel tired. Why? Because I did not sleep very good last night. I feel surprised. Why? Because my brother scared me. I feel excited. Why? Because we're learning English. I feel worried. Why? Because it's almost nighttime. I feel hungry. Why? Because I forgot to eat. Because I forgot to eat. I feel frightened. Why? The bear. I feel upset. Why? Because our class is almost over. I feel embarrassed or shy. Why? I can't tell you. I feel in love. Why? Because I'm in love? I feel nervous. Why? Because I'm hungry. I feel sick. Why? Because I'm hungry. I feel hurt. Why? Because I'm hungry. I feel frustrated. Why? Because I'm hungry. I feel confused. Why? Because I'm hungry. So why do they feel the way they do? Why do you feel the way you do when you are expressing an emotion or a feeling? In this last exercise, you will pick 2 emojis. So 1 per person. If you have 3 people in your group, pick 3 emojis. And describe or tell how you feel, why you feel that way, what you do when you feel that way, where do you go, and how can you change it? So why do you feel the way you feel? This is your last project today. So work in groups. Pick one emoji per person and describe your expression. Express how you feel, why, what, where you go, when, what are you doing, and how you can change it. I'll give you a few moments. Starting now. Okay, great job, everybody. That ends our class for today on scenarios in English conversation. Next time, we'll continue with more scenarios. Until then, I'll see you next time.